Okay, so we're going to continue with the next 2 pages, and it says, after that, the milk goes into bottles and cartons that have a date on them. The date tells how long the milk will stay fresh. Then the cartons are sent on their way. Okay, so what do they do with the milk after it cools off? Okay, what do they do with the milk after it cools off? Okay. Okay, milk is a good. Okay, the people who stack the cartons and the truck driver who haul them to stores provide a service. Okay, so milk is a good, but the people that get it ready for us and bring it and drives it to the store, it's a service. Okay, they're providing a service. Okay, so milk is a good, the drivers and the workers provide a service. Okay, and then the caption on the bottom, it says, a date stamped on every bottle or carton tells how long the milk will stay fresh. Now the next page. At last, the milk arrives at the store. Workers place the milk inside large refrigerators to keep it cold. Finally, you and your family buy the milk and take it home. As you enjoy a cold glass of milk, think about its journey from the dairy farm to you. And now the caption. Many delicious dairy products are made from milk. Okay, very good. So now, from dairy farm to you, and then yesterday's date. Let me go back to the other side. And this is the ones that were not here yesterday. This is what you need to copy from yesterday. Key detail number 1, the farmers milk the cows. Key detail number 2, the milk is pumped into a holding tank. Key detail number 3, the trucks haul the milk to the processing plant. That's what you need to copy from yesterday. So we're going to start with key detail number 4. Plant homogenizes and pasteurizes the milk. Okay, and right there you will be drawing on the other side the big tank. Bottled, the bottled milk is sent to the stores. Okay, so the bottled milk is sent to the stores. Okay. So right there, you can draw the milk in bottles. Okay. Okay, what happens to the milk when it gets to the store? They put it in the cold refrigerator. And then where does it go? From the store, where does the milk go? People buy milk in the store. People buy milk in the store. And bring it home. Okay, so people buy milk in the store and they bring it home. On the top, you're going to write blending. Blending. And you're blending the, remember this week we're practicing the ow sound like in mouse and cow. Okay, the okay, so that's the sound that we're learning this week. Ow, like mouse, cow. Okay, and then after that, we're going to write line 1, skip a line, line 2, skip a line, line 3. Okay, and I will be calling on you to help me spell. Okay, so you have to be doing good listening. Okay. Okay, ready? So line 1, and you're going to make the lines 1, 2, 3. Okay, make your 3 little lines because that means it has 3 sounds, not 3 sounds, 3 letters. Okay, so the first word is cow. Cow. Alexander. Okay, the next word is now. Now. Okay, now. Okay, Katie G, how do I spell how? Okay, ready? So we're going to the next line. And now make 4 little lines. That means it's 4 letters. Okay, and our next word is down. Okay.
O-W-N.
Down. Okay. Now our next word, okay, has 4 letters, but remember the ow makes 1 sound, but we still need to write the 2 letters that make that sound. Okay, our next word is crown. Okay, Alicia, how do I spell crown? Alicia, how do I spell crown?
C-R-O-W-N.
Okay, could you repeat it for me again? 3. Okay, ow with O-W, okay, O-W. So Angel, how do I spell round? Round, loud, loud. Okay, David, you wanna help Miss Morales? Okay, loud. And I'll go ahead and write line number 4. Okay, and our word is count, count. Next word, okay, it's also 5 letters, but remember OU makes 1 sound, but we still need to write OU. Okay, our next word is shout, shout, shout. Ow spelled O, the OU, and ow spelled OW. Okay, so that's our blending for today. So make sure you practice your reading the charts. Okay, now we will